Ano yung mga bagay in life na kahit gano'ng karaming money yung meron ka, hindi mo siya bibilhan. And one of those things for me is a bookmark. Kasi for me, anything can be a bookmark. Right now, this is what I'm reading. Abby Jimenez Say You'll Remember Me. In fairness, maganda siya. Ang bookmark ko ngayon, resibo ng 7-Eleven para sa alcohol and wipes. Anything can be a bookmark. Minsan, cord ng charger, power bank, barya, buhangin. Nung nasa beach ako, nawala ko yung resibo. So, buhangin yung nilagay ko. And it worked. Siguro pinakamalalang bookmark na nagamit ko do at this point is yung tape piece ko. Kasi yun yung pinakamalapit kong nakita. Tapos sabi ko, okay. And you know what? It worked. Kasi hindi siya parang tape na dumikit talaga. So, hindi na punit yung page. And it's thick enough. Ganda. Galing. Buti na lang hindi ko siya nadala sa restaurant or cafe na mag-main character ako. Tapos pagbukas ko may tape piece. Medyo malala na yan. But, yeah. Yun lang naman yung point ko. You will never catch me buying a bookmark. Yes.